everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok settings not showing. If TikTok settings are not showing, try these fixes. So you can restart TikTok app. So completely close TikTok just like so, reopen it and check if the settings menu appears. Next, you can also check your internet connection by going to settings and tap on Wi-Fi. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So a poor connection can prevent parts of the app from loading. So make sure you're using a stable internet connection. Next is to clear TikTok cache. So go back to TikTok, go to your profile, click the three-line menu at the top right, tap Settings and Privacy, scroll down and look for Free Up Space. Select that, then tap on Clear. Tap on Clear again to clear cache. And that's it. Then see if that works. You can also try another device. So log in on a different phone or tablet. If the settings appear there, the issue is likely with your device or app installation. And that's basically it. I hope that solves the issue. Thank you for watching.